Welcome to the Introduction to VGS tutorial. This is Chaz
and Ashley
with the VGS dev team. This tutorial provides a summary of VGS, its overall design, and how it is used.
VGS stands for Vegetation GIS Data System. It is a free software application that's designed for recording and managing ecosystem sampling data. It provides a repository for organizing and managing data, including photos, documents, GPS coordinates, and other information associated with sampling. It is also an electronic tool for recording data in the field as well as historical data in the office. It also has the ability to produce reports and tools for summary and presentation of results in the field and office. Other tutorials in this series cover this information more in depth.
VGS is designed to have a hierarchical structure. For example, a region within the Forest Service contains forests, districts, allotments, pastures, and monitoring locations. The root folder, or top of the hierarchy, is the main level of your organization, and in this example is the VGS Habitat tutorial. Locations where the data is collected are generally stored at the bottom of the hierarchy. A variety of location types are available, including exclosures, inventory points, key areas, and photo points. Locations in VGS, unlike files in Windows File Explorer, are simply references to a location and can exist in many folders. Location assignments can be viewed in the General tab of the site.
The unassigned folder is for locations that have not been assigned to a specific folder, or if you delete a location, it is moved to the unassigned folder. Think of it as a recycle bin on your desktop. If you accidentally delete a location, it can be retrieved from the unassigned folder. Within locations, general information can be recorded, and specific data can be recorded at multiple points in time in the event log. These events use custom user-defined protocols which are designed to be efficient for field data collection. A tabular view is also available for historical data transcription. VGS utilizes the NRCS plants database for easy plant lookup and recordation, and includes the ability to save frequently and previously used plant lists.
Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you have learned something new and helpful. Until next time.